In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Boolean operations in Figma. If you've ever needed to combine simple shapes into polished icons, logos, or custom UI elements, Boolean operations are the fast, precise way to do it. They let you merge, cut, and refine shapes non-destructively so you can keep editing as your design evolves. I'll walk you through the flow from opening your workspace to applying each operation, and I'll share practical tips along the way so everything feels smooth and predictable. Start by opening your browser and heading to figma.com. Sign in and you'll land in your Figma workspace. Everything we're doing works in the browser or the desktop app, so use whichever you prefer. On the left side of the screen, click All Projects. This view organizes your files so you can quickly jump into the right place. If you don't see it, expand the left sidebar. It may be tucked away on smaller screens. Next, choose the project you want to work in and click to open it. Inside, select the file or page that contains the shapes you plan to combine. If you're starting fresh, you can create a new frame and draw a couple of shapes to practice. Now select the objects you want to combine. You can drag a marquee around them or hold Shift and click each shape. Boolean operations work with vector shapes and paths, so rectangles, ellipses, polygons, and custom vector layers are perfect. Make sure your shapes overlap in the way you intend. The visible arrangement will determine the result for some operations. Look toward the top toolbar and click the Boolean dropdown. Depending on your layout, you'll see a set of shape icons or a labeled menu. This is where you'll apply and experiment with different combinations. Remember, Boolean groups are non-destructive. You can still move, resize, or edit the individual shapes afterward. Now choose from the available options. Union combines multiple shapes into one continuous form, great for building up complex silhouettes. Subtract cuts the top shape from the shapes beneath it, so layer order matters. If the result looks off, reorder the layers in the left panel and try again. Intersect keeps only the overlapping area, useful for carving precise highlights or mask-like forms. Exclude does the opposite. It removes the overlap and keeps the non-overlapping regions, creating holes where shapes cross. When you're satisfied and want a final single path, use flatten to convert the Boolean group into one editable vector. Keep fills and strokes consistent before flattening for clean, predictable results.